Hey everyone, today we are going to show you how to make money with AI art, a step-by-step guide. Stickers have gained immense popularity and creating and selling them has become remarkably straightforward. I will walk you through the process of crafting eye-catching stickers using AI, preparing them for your online store, and ultimately kickstarting your earnings. The simplicity of this process is truly remarkable, and I am excited to share these steps with you. Before we begin, if you are interested in staying updated on AI tools and learning how to use them effectively, you are in the right place. We provide informative content and step-by-step tutorials on AI tools. Don't forget to please subscribe. Your support keeps our content coming. Now, let us begin. To get started, we will need a few things from Leonardo AI. First, you need a prompt. Second, make sure you have a cutout of the sticker you want. Third, use a factor. And finally, always have a white background, like this example. These elements ensure that your stickers look clean and professional. Let's start by creating our first product. I am going to design a simple teacup sticker. So this is what our prompt will be. Teacup, sticker, cutout, vector, white background. Now, let's click Generate. Look at this. It really looks like a sticker with a white border, just like the ones you'd buy in stores. Now, let us create another one. A cute kawaii cup of coffee with the same elements. Sticker, cutout, factor, and white background. This one is absolutely charming. It demonstrates the versatility of Leonardo AI in crafting stickers with varying styles and emotional tones. Now, I will enhance the resolution of these stickers and craft a few additional designs. Here are our next two products. A round sticker of a car driving into the sunrise and a cool tiger sticker. Both are fantastic and ready for sale. Now, let us move on to a different style. You can get creative and explore different styles for your stickers. I created a minimalistic lion sticker which looks super cool. Remember, you can experiment with various styles to appeal to a broader audience. This one, for example, has a unique geometric design, making it stand out. Now that we have a range of stickers, it is time to get them ready for your online store. Simply uploading stickers in their current state isn't sufficient. We must eliminate the background and ensure we have high-quality images. The good news is that you don't need to visit another platform to remove the background. Leonardo AI provides a tool for that purpose. Just click on Remove Background and you will notice the background being removed. Afterward, we can also enhance the image's resolution by clicking Upscale Image Alternate. Then, if you are satisfied with the looks of your stickers, then just download the pictures. Now that our stickers are ready, it is time to set up your online store. We will be using Redbubble, a platform where you can sell your art. Start by signing up as an artist, then upload your products. Remember, you need at least 5 products to get started. You can set your pricing markup and choose which products you want your designs on. Make sure to enable the stickers option, and please don't forget to set your markup. The higher the markup, the more you earn per sale. Once you have configured your products, save your work. Finally, complete your store setup by adding a profile picture, cover image, and other necessary information. This includes setting up your payment details so that you can start earning money when your stickers sell. And there you have it. In just a short time, we have created and uploaded a variety of stickers ready to be sold in your online store. Making money with AI art has never been easier. So, give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more daily AI related content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.